One of the things I want you guys to work on though for this assignment is something that Adobe calls color themes. So if I click on color themes, it opens up this color theme palette here. There's going to be preset colors here. You have 5 colors, but you have these 2 other options, Explore. So basically what Explore is a bunch of colors that other people have created. And then you have My Themes. And My Themes are the colors that you created. So I have a couple for like clients and stuff for working here, basically. And then you have this color wheel. So the color wheel is showing you the hue, and then you have these 5 sliders. And these 5 sliders kind of work together depending on how the color wheel is set up. And then you have these icons down here. So, so I'll show you the last one first. So the last one is called your color rule. So the color rule has monochromatic, triad, complementary, compound, shades, and custom. So I'm going to actually go back to this logo here. And this is, let's say this is like the logo for the assignment that we're working on. And I'm going to duplicate this. So monochromatic, what that does, it basically takes your the 5 points on the color wheel and it aligns them. And you can move one individually, but what you're getting here is basically a monotone color scheme. So you have the same hue with different levels of saturation and luminosity. So you can say these are tints of the hue. Now what you can do with these colors is if you like these colors, you can hit this next swatch and it says add the swatches. And I click on that. Now if I go into my swatch palette, in a folder, basically creates a folder. That color arrangement that's set up in the color wheel goes into my swatch palette. If I change it to Triad, what happens with Triad is that each of the points on the color wheel are spaced basically 120 degrees from one another. And if I move that, I get a different type of color arrangement. Because I have 5 swatches up here, 2 of those color arrangements are going to let you control the luminosity or the tint for one of those 120 degree sections. And again, if you like, you can hit this next little button and that will add to your swatches. So it creates a color group. The next one, complementary, is basically taking just 2 colors and having them exact opposites on the color wheel. So you got exact opposites. 3 of those will to control the tint for one opposite, and then 2 will let you control the tint for the other opposite. And that's your complementary arrangement. Then you have something called the compound arrangement. And basically what that's doing is it's having the colors arranged close together on just one side of the color wheel to get a color palette that has colors that are similar to each other. That's compound. Shades is basically, it's similar to monotone, and it's taking one color and it's just giving you different levels of luminosity for that color. And then custom is basically you can move whatever point you want to wherever you want to. So that's custom.